Hello farmers, welcome to episode 2 on fish farming. If you didn't watch the previous episode, the link to the video is in the description below. Today we will be talking about planning an aquaculture enterprise. Land, water, and climatic conditions are probably the most important natural factors which need to be assessed. When developing a site for aquaculture, you should consider the effect it may have on the environment. Naturally important areas, e.g. fish nursery grounds like the mangrove forests, should not be used for aquaculture. One of the most important requirements is water availability in terms of quality and quantity. The type of aquaculture and species of animals or plants which you will be able to culture will depend largely on the properties of the site. The risks involved in fish farming should also be stressed. Fish need protein in order to grow and reproduce. This means they can become competitors for products which could otherwise be used directly for human consumption. Furthermore, the cost of production is fairly high, and therefore pond-grown fish are not always able to compete financially with fish caught in the wild. The high initial investment and production costs, as well as the economic risks involved in setting up a fish farm, mean that there are some very important factors a prospective fish farmer should consider before embarking on a fish farming venture. Finance. You should make an estimate which includes the cost of land as well as capital expenditures for fish stock, pond construction, labor, production, and harvesting. Site. The soil must be able to retain water. A good water quality and quantity should be available at reasonable cost. The site should be close to home, and potential losses from stealing should be estimated. The ownership of the land, as well as what state or federal permits are required, should be known and obtained. The site and roads should be passable and not subject to flooding. Fish stock. You need to decide whether to breed your own fish stock or purchase it from others. If you plan to buy from others, you must be sure of a reliable source of good quality fish stock. If you choose to breed on site, then you must have sufficient space for maintenance of brood stock and production of young fish, fingerlings. Harvesting. Enough people should be available to harvest the fish. Find out what is the most economical method for harvesting. You may need storage facilities for harvested fish. Most of these factors will be addressed in more detail in the following videos. Future fish farmers can often get assistance with starting up any fish farming enterprise in the form of technical advice from extension services. In some cases, even financial support is provided. That's all that we have for you today. See you on the next video as we look deeper into fish farming. That's all that we have for you today. For more future videos, kindly click the subscribe button. You can also click the links on the description below to visit our website and to watch other farming videos. Thank you for watching.